Okay, so I'm going to do a segment addition postulate construction. Normally we'd bust out with our construction tools, but we can do it through Desmos. So first thing I want to do is I want to, let's say I want to take line AB and line CD and I want to put them together. I don't want to just pick them up and move them and put them together. I want to do this using constructions. So the way that we would do that is we take a line. So I select line here. I'm just going to go across and just draw a long line. Okay. Now this point here, we're going to go back to select. This point here, we're going to label this A prime. What that means is that's where A is going to end up. It's going to end up here. Okay, so I'll change the color. You don't have to. I'll change it to green. Okay. So if I want to construct this line, what we do is we come here to our compass. And basically what it's saying is choose a segment. So I'm going to choose segment AB and then choose the point in the center. So when I click on A again, do you notice how this circle goes all the way to B? So I'm going to click A and I'm going to click B. When I move this down here, it gives me a new circle. I'm going to put here, this right here is the center of the circle. I'm going to come down and put it on A. Where this new circle hits the line, that's going to be my B prime. So we basically just moved that line. We made a copy of it. So we have A prime, B prime. Change it to green. Now let's say I want to add CD to it. I do the same thing, come to more tools. I come to my compass. I choose line segment. I choose the point, which is going to be the center, C. See how D becomes on the line. And then I'm going to do it again to get my same circle, right? Same size. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put it on top of B prime. And when I do that, this point right here, which we kind of already marked with B prime, what's this point going to become? So B prime, that was the end of this line, but then C prime came too. So we're going to put B prime, C prime. And then this point over here is going to become A prime. Could you add another CD to the end of this if you wanted to? Just come over here, compass, select C, and then click on it, and it brings us over here. I'm going to put it at the end of D. This point now, since we already have a D, this is going to be D double prime, meaning it's the second one we moved. So right here, this is a construction from A all the way to D. This would be AB plus 2 CD. So this is AB plus 2 of the CDs.